Hi everyone, welcome to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your complete guide for your BORG ERP account setup. So in my previous video, I made you understand, I guided you how to add your customers, how you can onboard all your customers which were already present in your Excel sheet and in your paperwork. Now it's time to see the user license info. So what is user license info in BORG ERP? So we can see over here inside menu bar below manage customer is user license info. So when we click upon it, we come to this page. So and we see this table showing all the paramount details over here. That means on which date license was credited, which was the license key, expiry date, then license status and expiry status as well. So you can see here, pardon. So you can see here, all the necessary details are present over here. Anyone can track how many licenses are credited till date to this particular account. And you can see over here, there are many licenses which are still unused. Say for example, this one, it is still unused, and this one also. Okay, there are many licenses which are in unused status as well. So that means these licenses are still not assigned to any of user. So it is available for any of the user in this particular account. Okay, now comes the when we come here in the right section of this page, we can see the total user account. How many account has been made in this particular admin account, ERP account. So total user is 17. And how many active users are? Active users are 10. How many inactive users? 0. Disabled users, that how many of users this particular admin account has made, and how many accounts are expired. So you can see over here the data is showing that there is only one expired user. So till now, what is the license transaction summary is it also reflecting over here. Total licenses credited 41, total licenses available 7, licenses used 10, and total licenses expired is the 13. So these all things are available here only. Anyone can track all the details about license. Okay, their license status, their expiry date, these all things are easily trackable from here. So this is the license info, user license info for today. So hope you all understand these all basic concept of user license info. So if you find it useful, please implement in your BORG ERP account and just promote your way to success. Thank you. Thank you all.